This video will take you through the steps for installing Wolf Gordon's wood veneer wall coverings. Before the wall covering arrives, it's important that you read the installation guidelines completely. Our wood veneer wall covering is a handcrafted product that has distinct installation requirements compared to other contract wall coverings. Your application area should be environmentally controlled by a permanent HVAC system, beginning 4 days before installation, during installation, and continuing 4 days after installation. The system should maintain a temperature between 65 and 75 degrees with relative humidity of no more than 50%. The wall moisture content should be less than 4%. When the wall covering is received, boxes should be stored upright and off the floor to protect the material from moisture and damage. After unpacking, lay the wall covering sheets flat on a table in the installation area facing upward, with the top sheet turned face down. Allow the sheets to acclimate to the space for 12 to 24 hours. Our wood wall covering is designed for application to unpainted drywall with a level 4 finish. Orders always ship with the approved primer. Do not substitute. Apply a complete coat of the primer to the wall using a paint roller. The ideal dry time is 12 hours. The approved adhesive will also ship with your order. No other adhesives should be used. Apply a complete, even, medium coat of adhesive to the wall using a 3/8 inch short-napped roller. Once the applied adhesive is no longer moist but still has tack, you are ready to proceed. Notice that the sheets are numbered in installation sequence on the back side. Paste only one sheet at a time. Beginning with the sheet intended for the left edge, apply an even coat of adhesive with a 3/8 inch napped roller to the back side of the veneer sheet. Be sure to apply complete coverage, especially on the ends and edges. You should not book sheets. Apply the sheet directly to the wall, starting at the left edge. Each shipment includes a Wolf Gordon plexi blade. Use only this tool to apply the wall covering. Do not use a J-roller, FRP roller, or any other smoothing tool, as these can push adhesive away from the intended area, causing an insecure bond. After pressing the sheet to the wall with your hands, use the Wolf Gordon plexi blade to adhere the sheet firmly to the wall. Begin from the center of the sheet and apply very firm pressure, pushing the blade outward along the grain lines and driving out all trapped air from underneath. As you proceed, continually inspect installed sheets to ensure 100% adhesion. Unadhered areas of the sheet will appear as raised bubbles or will sound different when tapped. Apply firm pressure with the plexi blade to remedy these areas. When installing successive sheets, butt factory edges together. Do not overlap sheets or double cut. Lifting and repositioning the sheet can result in spots with little or no adhesion. If the veneer face has excess or dried adhesive, be sure to remove it with a slightly damp cloth. Sheets are pre-finished. No stain or additional finish is required. By following the complete installation instructions, you will achieve an outstanding result. Enjoy the beauty of real wood wall covering from Wolf Gordon.